Okay, so I got a Whirlpool dryer here for you guys. Customers complaining that it's not heating well, so they're having to, I guess, put it on 3 or 4 times for the load to get dry. So we're going to take a look inside. So to get the top panel off, you got to stick a putty knife into these clips here and push in, and the top will pop up. You want to take out these 1/4-inch screws, one there and one on the other side here. You're also going to want to watch the wiring. A lot of the times I just undo it from those clips and just move the whole panel kind of to the side. So those are the clips that the front panel sits on. Once you undo those 2 things, and then there's a pin halfway up that the panel pushes onto. So there's the wiring out of the clips there. So there's a lot of lint built up in this guy, so we're going to have to get that cleaned out. Also that blower wheel, there's a lot built up in this dryer, so I want to take that drum out just to see how much is built up inside the dryer and around the motor. Okay, so that's out of the way. It's actually not too bad in here. So we'll give it a good vacuum out through here, but I'm not too worried about, you know, motor overheating or anything like that. So when you're in here, make sure to give the idler, you know, give it a spin, give the rollers a spin, just make sure that everything's okay and it doesn't need to be replaced while you have everything out. You also want to check that felt right there. Just make sure it's not ripped or burnt up. So that's all cleaned out. What you really want to watch is up into the vent. That was all built up with lint in there, so I had to get in there and dig most of it out with my hand, and then I could actually vacuum it out. And you'll want to spin the blower wheel because there'll be clumps stuck in between the fins. So spin it around just to make sure that there's nothing else stuck in there, I guess. So let's test this guy out. I always put it on like a time dry, that way it won't kick you out because the sensors aren't happy. I got the vent off right now. I just am testing to see what kind of heat we got going on. So let's check to see how hot that is. Yeah, that's really good. So if you guys like these videos, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments if you guys have anything else that you want me to take a look at. Any problems with any appliance, and I'll try to get some videos up for it. Yeah, but this dryer is all done. Good to go. Put the vent back on and we're good. So thanks for watching.